Alright, today we're doing a little beer brats. Little recipe I got right now. We're just gonna melt some butter in an aluminum pan. I've got two-way cooking setup. Indirect. Those are fire bricks to separate the fire. They're like $1 each. Anyway, we're going to melt that butter, and then we're going to throw in these onions, peppers, and some chopped garlic. And then I'll show you what's next. There we go. Let's dump these bad boys in. And a little bit of freshly chopped garlic. Alright, let's stir this stuff up a little bit. Alright, time to add our beer. These have softened. Got some good color on those peppers, so in goes the beer. Oh, that smells really good. Alright. Hi, Zena. Okay, we're going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to dump our brats in. And today we're using Johnsonville beer brats. These are really good. I love these beer brats. Beer is starting to boil. Our beer is boiling, so we're going to dump in the brats and then move it to the cold side of the grill right here. Cover it with foil, and we're going to cook it for about 15 minutes. Okay, all covered up. We're on the cool side of the grill, and we're going to cook this for 15 minutes. See, bad boys are done. They've been in here for about 25 minutes-ish. So we're going to remove this foil, and we're going to cook the brats directly on the fire for about 2 to 3 minutes aside. Okay? Okay. Alright. I'll do this. I'll get this off with 2 hands, and then we'll grill these bad boys. We're going to grill these bad boys on the fire for about 2 minutes aside, while the beer bath is directly over the fire, so that that beer cooks down and gets real nice. We'll be right back. All right, these things are properly grilled. That's still going. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw these things back in that bath and just let it cook down and get super yummy. So now that they're grilled, I've put them back in the boiling beer bath, and I'm going to let them go for a minute. But these are ready to go. We can serve them. But I do want to cook down the onions and the onions and the peppers a little bit more, and then drape those bad boys on top of them. I made a beer brat sauce too. It's made with real beer. And I'll show you that recipe in the link in the description, along with this one. Okay? Peace. Okay. This is the beer brat sauce that we're going to put on our brats. Even my 10-year-old goes crazy over this. I will have the recipe for this, as well as the brats, in the description below. Enjoy.